Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello, my name is Akmal Zaidan Hibatullah. Here I will present about for the task final exam task algorithm and data structure. So here the table of contents of my presentations. The first binary search, the second bubble sort, the third quick sort, the fourth trees, and fifth graph. Okay, let's start with the first binary search. Binary search is a searching algorithm for finding an element's position in a sorted array. In this approach, the element is always searched in the middle of a portion of an array. Binary search can be implemented only on a sorted list of items. If the elements are not sorted out already, we need to sort them first. And this is the example using Python code. And here will be the output. Okay. Next, the second is bubble sort. Bubble sort is a sorting algorithm that compares two adjacent elements and swaps them until they are in the intended order. Just like the movement of air bubbles in the water that rise up to the surface, each element of the array moves to the end in each iteration. Therefore, it's called a bubble sort. And here is the example for the Python code, and this is will be the output. Okay. Next, the third quick sort. Quicksort is a sorting algorithm based on the divide and conquer approach where the first an array divided into subarrays by selecting a pivot element selected from the array. The second, while dividing the array, the pivot element should be positioned in such a way that elements less than pivot are kept on this left side and elements greater than pivot are on the right side of the pivot. The third, the left and right subarrays are also divided using the same approach. This process continues until each subarray contains a single element. The fourth, at this point, elements are already sorted. Finally, elements are combined to form a sorted array. So there is the example quicksort in Python, and this is will be the output. Okay, next, number 4 is trees. A tree is a non-linear hierarchical data structure that consists of nodes connected by edges. Other data structures such as arrays, linked lists, stack, and queue are linear data structures that store data sequentially. In order to perform any operation in a linear data structure, the time complexity increases with the increase in the data size. But it is not acceptable in today's computational world. Different tree data structures allow quicker and easier access to the data as it is a non-linear data structure. So the trees terminologies. First, there is a node. A node is an entity that contains a key or value and pointers to its child nodes. And there's edge. It is the link between any two nodes. And the root, it is the topmost node of a tree. And height of a tree, the height of the root node or the depth of the deepest node. Depth of a node, the number of edges from the root to the node. um, Height of a node, the number of edges from the node to the deepest leaf. Next, there's a degree of a node. The total of it is the total number of branches of that node. And the last, Forest is a collection of disjoint trees and is called a forest. Okay, next. There's a types of tree. The first binary tree, the second binary search tree, AVL tree, and last B tree. Okay, the tree is also had a tree traversal. In order to perform any operation on a tree, you need to reach to the specific node. The tree traversal algorithm helps in visiting a required node in the tree. Traver- Traversing a tree means visiting every node in the tree. You might, for instance, want to add all the values in the tree or find the largest one. For all these operations, you will need to visit each node of the tree. Lin- Linear data structures like arrays, stacks, queues, and linked lists have only one way to read the data, but a hierarchical data structure like a tree can be traversed in different ways. So there is a example in the using Python code, and this is will be the output. Okay, next graph. Graph is a non-linear data structure consisting of vertices and edges, representing connections between data points. Graphs are mathematical structures that consist of nodes, also known as vertices, and the connections between them. Referred to as edges, this structure enables the representations of intricate and interrelated relationships. Okay, thanks for your attentions. Maybe that's enough. Sorry for the mistakes or anything. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.